3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome to the Hangout Betting Podcast episode Fun but why so extreme. Here we talk about things that we are usually considered trivial but ultimately make us think.
This sounds fun. I like the term hanging out, but thinking where we usually start by talking about random things that just make us laugh, but here we end up reflecting on things, right?
We have followed right family, but thus I could think it many will still have activity price.
Well, today we're going to discuss a topic that we will never end, guys, namely is juvenile delinquency, starting from minor things like skipping school to serious things like, well, crime.
Oh, that's a hot topic. The scoop is really broad, guy. From just graffiti on walls to hurting other people. But don't be quick to sigh. It's just this. It's normal for teenagers because delinquency depends on the context.
I totally agree with Aaron, and sometimes action that are considered rebellious in one environment can be normal in another. Just imagine in a big city speeding down in the road with your car strobe light on can be considered cool, but a small village, it can be considered a crime that threatens the safety of residents.
Okay, now let's get to the point. When we talking about juvenile delinquency today, why do you guys think about it feels more extreme and speed faster to making it easier to see?
Actually, there are many factors in the past that with also because of peer pressure, but now with social media, the person is aware that they have to look cool and proud.
Another factor is that social media is no longer just a place, the chat, but also a public platform to express one's identity, and that can be dangerous if it's not balanced with awareness and understanding.
Agree. Now, social media has made the standard of coolness a little more distorted. In the past, cool mean being brave enough to perform on stage at school. But now, cool means spending on the street and owning expensive things.
By the way, guys, data from UNICEF in 2023 show that 1 in 3 teenagers in Indonesia feel emotionally depressed due to online social pressure. Even more shocking is that 74% of teenagers admit to lying or faking their identity on social media to look cool or popular.
Wow, that's really scary. Imagine people around us lying about their identity to look rich on social media, but in real life, when they want to hang out expensive place, they borrow money from us.
Udah.
But seriously, if left unchecked, it can be dangerous. Sometimes minor mischief can become a habit. They escalate from showing off the arrogance and potential hurting people.
Exactly, it's like a domino effect. At first, it's just a desire to be recognized, but eventually, you lose control.
Speaking of losing control, the case 3 years ago is a real example, right?
Exactly. That was just teenage mischief. It was serious violence.
And what's even more sad is that he was so young. At the age, you should have been bullshitting about college, not committing violence.
That also show that prevent or you does not granting good character. Sometimes it makes people forget their village.
And what caused us stir at the time was that his behavior was videotaped and spread around. It was as if he had no fear at all.
So, getting back to the original topic, juvenile delinquency can actually be a small warning before something bigger happens. Do you agree, guys?
Absolutely. If left unguided, can develop in a dangerous direction.
That's why character and legal education from a early age is so important. Your people need to understand the consequence of their action.
Actually, the cool ones, the ones who can control themselves, strong people, aren't the ones who can hit others, but the ones who can resist the urge to hit.
Wow, that's really deep, me. Okay, before we wrap up, let's each share a reflective statement.
Teenager can be smart, but don't lose your mind.
Okay, to be cool as long as you don't hurt others.
Understand the law before you get punished.
Having emotion is normal, but the way you express them must be mature.
Great, guys. So the point is, teenage mischief isn't just about being rebellious, but also about direction. Do you want to be rebellious in the way that leads to learning, or rebellious in the way that destroys yourself? Thank you to everyone who listened to the Hangout But Think podcast episode Fun But Why So Extreme. Don't forget, guys, self-control is a skill that must be practiced, not an innate talent.
And if you want to go viral, choose the right way. Don't become a criminal headline.
See you to the next video, guys. Stay mischief and smart way.